Meets a Ghost by Chandan Yadav, illustrated by Kaustubh, Kamat. Once there was a ghost. He thought he was very scary. Every day he tried to scare someone. One day he frightened a ravenous lion. Another day, a giant elephant. The next day, a muscular wrestler. On another day, a police constable with a big mustache. He was fond of seeing people run away in fear. In fact, he could never fall asleep until he'd scared someone. One day, he felt sick, but he still wanted to scare someone. He thought of scaring a mouse. A mouse would be easy to scare. Late at night, he snuck into Mouse's house. Mouse was sleeping peacefully. Da-dum, da-dum, sounded the ghost's footsteps. Mouse woke up. Mouse shivered in fear and asked in a stammering voice, Who is there? The ghost said in his scariest voice, I am a ghost. Mouse said, Oh, you're a ghost? I thought you were a cat. So Mouse pulled up his blanket and went back to sleep.